Did you know many people lose up to half their muscle mass over time, leading to serious weakness and reduced freedom? This shocking loss, often known as sarcopenia, impacts tens of millions worldwide, stealing the strength they need to stay active and confident. But cutting research from the Journal of Physiology reveals that this massive drop in muscle power doesn't have to happen. Surprising, right? While it's common for legs and arms to feel weaker with each birthday, there's a special group of people who keep the strength and mobility of others decades younger, even when those around them struggle. How? Experts at the Mayo Clinic discovered specific daily habits that slow, halt, and even reverse these declines in muscle mass. How is that possible? Because most folks have never heard of these simple tactics. Please stick around until the end, because habit number 1 pinpoints a crucial mistake you may make every day. This everyday habit can flip genetic switches that wear out your muscles. Changing it can mean the difference between staying independent or relying on someone else for basic tasks. If you want to keep your body strong and able, don't miss that last habit. Also, feel free to drop a quick comment below on where you're watching from if you'd like to share. All right, let's begin. Habit number 7, hormetic stressors. Here's one of the strangest keys to staying strong. Use short bursts of stress to build muscle resilience. Scientists call these hormetic stressors. Research from the Buck Institute finds brief exposure to stress can trigger protective pathways that boost muscle strength and quality, even later in life. One way is through temperature variation. A brief blast of cold at the end of your shower, about 30 to 60 seconds, activates brown fat, ramps up new energy factories in cells, and releases adiponectin, which protects muscle from damage. Heat exposure in saunas or hot baths sparks heat shock proteins that fix worn-out muscle cells. A major study from Finland showed that those who used saunas several times a week kept much more muscle over a 10-year span than those who never did. Another hormetic stressor is time-restricted eating. By limiting meals to an 8 to 10 hour window each day, people ramp up a cell cleansing process called autophagy. The Salk Institute showed this boosts muscle energy production by about 10% in just 12 weeks, even without changing anything else. Here's also the practice of brief, intense muscle contractions. Many high-functioning individuals regularly perform overcoming isometrics, which means pushing or pulling against an immovable object for 5 to 10 seconds with maximum effort. This short, powerful push signals muscles to hold on to size and strength without placing too much strain on joints. The key is that these stressors are short and followed by enough recovery that triggers genes called sirtuins and foxos, which help muscles stay robust. Habit number 6, strategic protein timing. Most people know protein is essential, but why does timing matter just as much as quantity? Because as we age, our bodies don't process protein as well. A study in the Journal of Nutrition found that spacing your protein evenly through the day can help muscles grow, while dumping it all into one meal doesn't get the same results. Our bodies have a 3 to 4 hour prime time for building muscle after each meal. If you eat all your protein at dinner, you could miss earlier muscle building windows. The best plan? Aim for about 25 to 30 grams of quality protein at breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Good choices include eggs, Greek yogurt, fish, lean meat, or beans and lentils if you prefer plant-based meals. Researchers at the University of Texas reported that people who tried this approach gained muscle even without changing their exercise habits. Habit number 5, vitamin D optimization. Vitamin D is often called the muscle vitamin. According to data from Harvard, it goes far beyond bone support. Muscle cells have vitamin D receptors that spark growth when activated. A major study published in JAMA Internal Medicine showed that individuals who keep vitamin D above a certain level have stronger muscles and better coordination than those who don't. Yet many people do not get enough vitamin D, partly because the body's ability to convert sunlight into vitamin D declines over time. The usual supplement advice of 600 IU is often too low. Many need 2000 IU or more, but also remember vitamin D works with vitamin K2 to guide calcium into bones, not arteries. So if you boost vitamin D, Pair it with vitamin K2 from foods like certain fermented products. Try to get a blood test to see your exact vitamin D status, then go from there. Habit number 4, daily inflammation management. Long-term inflammation is a hidden threat that breaks down muscle faster than it can rebuild. Scientists sometimes call this inflammaging. Even small amounts of inflammation can disrupt signals that tell muscles to grow and can speed up muscle protein breakdown. Several steps help keep inflammation in check. Sleep is huge. 7 to 8 hours in a dark, quiet room can lower inflammatory chemicals in your body. Gut health is also key. Research at the University of California showed that healthy gut bacteria can reduce inflammation, so aim for 30 or more types of plant-based foods a week and add fermented foods like yogurt or kefir. Exercise is of course essential, but be careful not to go too hard too often. Doing moderate activity most days and adding short, high-intensity sessions just once or twice a week tends to keep inflammation low. Finally, certain nutrients help a lot. Omega-3 fatty acids found in fatty fish or supplements, curcumin from turmeric, plus berries, green tea, and extra virgin olive oil can reduce inflammatory markers by around 30% within 3 months. Checking your high sensitivity CRP, C-reactive protein, can help you track your inflammation levels. Habit number 3, taking specific vitamins daily, macronutrients, protein, carbs, fats, get all the buzz, but some micronutrients are big helpers for muscle upkeep. Magnesium is often called the forgotten electrolyte for muscle health since it's needed for hundreds of chemical processes. A recent study found that people with enough magnesium had stronger grip strength and better overall performance. Creatine is another under-recognized nutrient. It's not just for sports buffs. A study from McMaster University proved that taking about 3 to 5 grams of creatine daily helps muscles stay hydrated, supports strength gains, and even boosts thinking skills. Also keep an eye on vitamin B12. Our ability to absorb it drops over time, and common medications can lower it more. Low B12 directly weakens muscles and nerves. And don't ignore minerals like zinc, selenium, and chromium. A Tufts study showed those who had enough of these kept far more muscle over several years than those who didn't. Some people get tested to find their unique deficits, then supplement accordingly, which saves money and targets the problem. Habit number 2, preserving neuromuscular junctions. Muscle loss usually starts with the breakdown of the link between nerves and muscle fibers, known as the neuromuscular junction. If that link frays, the muscle can't respond no matter how much protein you eat. Work at the University of Michigan showed that those who remain strong maintain these nerve-muscle connectors far better than average. Here's how they do it. They take part in activities requiring precise coordination, like dance, table tennis, or Tai Chi. These sharpen the signals that travel from brain to muscle. A study in the Journal of Physiology found that doing this even twice a week boosted nerve muscle ties by over 30%. Certain nutrients also help, such as alpha-lipoic acid and acetyl L-carnitine, which shield nerves from stress. Vitamin B1 in the form of benfotiamine and huperzine A can raise levels of acetylcholine, the messenger that tells your muscles to fire. Simple breath work like box breathing, count of 4 in, hold 4, out 4, hold 4, for just 5 minutes a day can also sharpen neural activation. Even problem-solving tasks or puzzles boost these pathways, which keeps signals strong and steady. Number 1, progressive resistance training. Now we come to the biggest secret of them all. Researchers at Tufts once called progressive resistance training the most powerful anti-aging weapon known. Muscles follow a rule: use them with increasing challenge or watch them fade. Walking or sticking to the same light weights over and over isn't enough to spark growth, especially as the years pass. High-functioning individuals make sure they lift with enough intensity to get near muscle failure, where one more rep with good form is not possible. Research from McMaster University shows that a couple of hard sessions each week can build more muscle than several medium sessions. Focusing on compound moves such as squats, rows, and presses hits many muscle groups at once. Plus, they use progressive overload, tracking each workout and aiming to lift a bit more or do an extra rep in each session. They also pay special attention to the lowering phase of each exercise. Slowly lowering the weight ramps up tension in muscle fibers while reducing strain on joints. One study at the University of Alabama found that even people who start training late can still add pounds of muscle and make big strength gains in just 3 months with this method. The biggest misconception is that this is risky or not needed after a certain point. Actually, the risk of losing muscle is much bigger if you don't train. If you pick only one habit, let it be progressive resistance work. Even 2 short sessions a week can shift how your body ages. Now, a quick note on something that might help performance. Beetroot extract has been linked to better blood flow and muscle efficiency in many studies, such as those in the Journal of the International Society of Sports Nutrition. If you hate the taste of beets, consider our sponsor Ultrabeet, linked in the description. It comes in capsules that are easy to swallow, and there's a coupon code there too. This is a simple way to get the proven upsides of beetroot without the bad taste. So, there you have it, 7 proven habits to restore muscles no matter how many birthdays you've had. Try them, and your future self may thank you for the strength, health, and independence you preserve. Which habit are you most excited to try or learn more about? Let us know in the comments. We love hearing your thoughts. Stay with these methods and watch your muscles come back to life. If you liked this, leave a comment or share your experience below, and remember to check the description for that link to Ultrabeet. Keep pushing forward and see you next time.